let's move on to digestive system and how it plays a crucial role. Let's start with section 1, mouth and chewing, the first step to preventing constipation. Digestion begins in mouth. Proper chewing breaks down the food into smaller particles, making it easier for the stomach and intestines to process. Inadequate chewing can lead to larger food particles entering the digestive tract, which can slow down digestion and lead to constipation. Taking the time to chew food thoroughly is a simple but effective way to improve your digestion and prevent constipation. If your chewing habits are contributing to constipation, focus on mindful eating and chewing thoroughly can help. Now, section 2, stomach issues, how delayed gastric emptying causes constipation. The stomach plays a critical role in breaking down food with acids and enzymes. Delayed gastric emptying or gastroparesis can slow down the movement of food from stomach to the intestine. This delay can cause bloating and constipation. Conditions like diabetes and certain medications can lead to gastroparesis. Managing these conditions and adjusting medications can help improve gastric emptying. And if you suspect your stomach issues are the root cause, addressing gastroparesis through diet modifications and medical management can be beneficial. Section 3, small intestine, about nutrient absorption and constipation. The small intestine continues to digest and absorb nutrients from food. When the small intestine is not functioning properly, it can lead to constipation. Conditions such as small intestinal bacterial growth, SIBO, can cause bloating and delay movement through the intestines. Treating SIBO with antibiotics or probiotics can alleviate these symptoms. If your small intestines isn't absorbing nutrients effectively, focusing on gut health through probiotic and balanced nutrition can improve your symptoms. Now let's talk about large intestines in section 4 and how it affects stool formation. The large intestine or colon absorbs water and forms stool from indigestible food matters. If the colon moves too slowly, too much water is absorbed, resulting in hard or dry stools. Conditions like irritable bowel syndrome and colonic inertia can affect colonic motility and lead to constipation. Increasing fiber intake and staying hydrated can help improve colonic function. If the large intestine is the issue, increasing fiber and hydration along with regular physical activity can help improve bowel movements. Section 5, let's talk about liver, gallbladder, and bile ducts, the role of bile in constipation. The liver produces bile, which is stored in a gallbladder and released into small intestine to help digest fats. If there is a problem with bile production or flow, such as the gallstone or bile duct obstruction, it can hinder fat digestion and lead to poor stomach or stool formation and constipation. Treating these conditions can improve bile flow and digestion. If your constipation is related to bile flow or production, focusing on liver and gallbladder health through dietary changes and possibly medical treatment can help.